Okay, it's not like everything emoshagele because now we were able to see the groom and the bride having a chat and coming together. And I think Mampo became matured about this whole situation and she decided that, you know what, the best that we can do for ourselves is to understand the situation. After understanding the situation, so tell abazali, because if we don't, they will get to hear from the streets, and that's not what we are looking at. That's not what we want. Ehlahle thina ke sifuna ukuthi abazali bazwe ngathi, and they will tell them the truest truth, so that if ever bafuna ukuseka bazoseka. If they want to condemn us, they will go ahead, but it's best that we be the ones that tell them. And so it was that they decided to call a family meeting. They went to Hamulab, and then Maria, knowing Maria, threw her tantrum saying, oh soka unyetse today, and then already usetse upregisite. No, but it was not about that. But no, it's not about that. Then Soka came up with the whatever the problem it was. And then now Tato Tato and Mulife. Oh my. So Tato and Mulife, so they asked Soga Hore, okay, if there you have to go to jail now because the hearing it's gonna come next now. When you go, what did your lawyer say? Your lawyer, and then he says the lawyer says we're looking at something between 5 and 7 years in jail. Then Tato is like, ooh, I was a mile. Oh my god, that was just that was a very serious scene. Mambo is crying and Tata and Milifa says, no, I violate you out. I finished. Yeah, but again, anyway, they as a family they didn't agree that they were going to go there, and then Basibam saying, and Musa did say, with you know what, during the time when I needed you most, you were there for me when no one else could be there for me. So I think this is the only time when I can show you Guti and I'll be there as a family. So they agreed that they will meet in court so that they can hear Guti what's the verdict. And my problem is, even if he was to pay the money, where is he going to get the money? He stole the money because he didn't have in the first place. Anyway, hi. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing House of Zwide. Dima Dekwana, Sanbonan, Abshin, Molwen, Minjani, Hipukle Hingongwina. So namutla ka nongwahina wa House of Zwide. Shula semsekangi looking at the fact that Soga had a conversation nomganwake Umasanza. Just appreciating Guti, because he firstly asked him Guti, you know what, I know that everything looks bad, but bengicela ungipituba ukuthi ngilungise. Now he wakes up on the couch and stuff, and then told Masanza Guti, ngicela nje, please don't give up on me now, because this is the time where I need you most. And it looks like Masanza do understand, like he was just so chilled about it. But again, speaking of being chilled about something, so they are 3 weeks away from the matric dance, and it looks like things is hamba ngomomo, but she has not heard anything from Onaleruna, who happens to be the designer, and she's bragging to everybody later also agakimanki Onaleruna mulapo. So which means she's going to do my dress. Now she has visions of how the dress should be like and pictures showing friends, but is Onaleruna ready? Oh, now is telling Faith, ooh, kana ke mo tshepisitse gore ke tlo mo 'irela mosese. And at this point in time, it looks like I'm very busy. I won't have time. Ka se tla kgona go mo 'irela mosese. So ko ibereka byang ha le tje. So Faith is like, okay, when is the matric dance? A re ha ke itse. Okay, fine. Then just go shopping. A re yo, a o itsekele wena. Yo, a o itsekele. Like, ha se motho e leng gore ke tla re I will go shopping for. Ke motho e leng gore o nyaka ke mo 'irele ka letsogo laka. Oh my god. And this is going to just stay up trouble, because if she does not do it, then who's gonna do it? Anyway, on the other hand, Kaboto Zama Mulife managed to disperse the crowd that was there, because bebafuna ukushaya ugogo bathi ugogo uyathakatha and akashawa akashiswe. Sebashisa namathaya bathi no, akashiswe akabulawo because ungumthakathi la esigodini asimfune. Now Mulife came through nalo the employee lo osebenza e-car wash, and then they were able to tell everyone ukuthi bahambe, and then ugogo was safe. And Molefe is now a regular in that house.